But if I told you that everything you think about starting a new business is wrong, that it doesn't cost a fortune and you don't need a huge team. 5 years ago, that was just a dream. But in 2026, the game has completely changed. The tools that billion-dollar companies used to build their empires are now on your laptop, and a lot of them are free. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this is the single best moment to launch your business from scratch, even if your bank at zero and just it to you.
Cute, cute. My shop is officially live.
For decades, the path of starting business was brutal. Get a massive loan, hire a full team, and hope you did not burn through all your cash before you even made a sale. In 2026, following those rules is practically guaranteed you'll be left behind. So the question is why? Because artificial intelligence just went from a cool experiment to your most valuable employee. This is not just some new app or passing trend. This is AI revolution in how companies are built from the ground up. AI has lowered up the barrier to entry so dramatically that people who never dreamed of being entrepreneurs are now launching real businesses. While big slow companies are stuck in meetings, a single person with a laptop can now build, market, and operate at scale that was unimaginable. It's no longer about the size of your budget, it's about how fast you can adopt. So the question is, how do you actually do it? It's come down what I call the laptop launchpad, a blueprint for building a one-person AI powerful company. It's replaced three departments that used cost fortune. First, your AI idea generator. The biggest thing that stops people is waiting for that perfect idea. Forget that with free tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini, you can brainstorm and validate a business in single afternoon. You can analyze market trends, find a niche, and figure out exactly what people are searching for all without spending a single penny. Next, your AI content and marketing machine. A few years ago, you need a whole team to create content and run ads. Not anymore. AI tools like Jasper and Copy AI can write your website, social media post ads for you, and other tool can generate professional product photos or even video ads from just a text prompt. You can create a month worth of marketing content in a day, putting you on the same level as massive brand. Finally, you have AI operation officer. This is what make a one person empire truly possible. AI chatbot can now handle customer service 24/7 while you are sleeping. AI can also manage your inventory, predict your sales, and even handle your finances, which eliminates costly errors and frees up to think what your biggest next move. But it's not just that tool that have changed, it's the customers. Buyers in 2026 want speed, authenticity, and things made just for them. The solo founder have a huge advantage. The old world of SEO is dying and it's being replaced by conversion search. People are getting answers directly from AI, which pulls from the authentic blog post, real reviews, and helpful content. This means if you have genuine expertise, you can get discovered without a giant ad budget. And social commerce is absolutely exploding. Platforms like TikTok and Instagrams, they are not just for scrolling. They are major sales channel. Authentic short form videos are what drive sales now. And AI can help generate the ideas of the video clips, but it's your human touch. Genuine voice that will build a loyal community and get you those first crucial customers. The opportunity is not coming. It's here right now to help you grab it. I've put together a free checklist with absolute best AI tools to launch your business in 2026. You can download it. You just need to comment AI checklist and I will send it to you. The barriers to starting a real business has never ever been lower. 2026 is the year the rule book was torn up. The tools you need to build an empire are not hidden in some Silicon Valley anymore. They are on your laptop waiting for you. The only one thing missing is you. I hope this video helped you. If you need more videos like this, follow me for more. This is Ali signing off the mic.